Good evening, everybody. Thank you for another time with you as we share another opportunity in the money market, as we look at areas, what is happening in the market, and all the various opportunities that we need to leverage from in the market in general. So, I'll be sharing with you, telling you more about the happenings, what have been going on in the market for some times now, and what you need to know about this trending opportunity. For some weeks right now, we discovered that the market has been so bearish. The market has been going downwards. That's what it means by being bearish. And we discovered that many have lost their capital. Their value have actually depreciated immensely. So many who came in, who bought at a very high rate, and their value of their asset or what they are worth now, it's barely nothing. So what we have actually discovered is that a lot has gone on since the past weeks, and many who do not understand how the market works have actually lost quite a fortune. So why we are sharing this video with us is to let us understand what is going on and understand the various market indices that has kept the market the way it is, and how to avert such kind of scenarios from happening, or taking up opportunities of such scenarios to better your fortune. So just to share with you quite a number of few incidents that have happened. We saw the likes of Bitcoin dropping immensely to $26,000 and going all-time high for the past 2 years right now, all-time low for the past 2 years. And we discovered some other fortunes like Terra Luna dropping immensely to over to 98%, minus 98%. It was quite a big shock to the whole market experience when we saw that. Many persons who had that asset actually lost quite a fortune. But there was quite a recovery after the developers came back and tried to correct one or two things. But that is not the case we are talking about right now. But what we are saying in essence is that market indices are very key factors we need to consider while venturing in this space. Digital assets generally needs keen attention. You need to pay attention to information, vital information today, day-to-day information to stay profitable. Without information, you cannot win in this space. So that's why we always say that please do well to do your findings, do your studies, to do your research all the time, to know what is trending, to know what is up in the news. If there's any fundamentals that is up in the news that you really need to leverage from, either to opt out or to go in, you begin to do that. So why we always come out to tell you all of these things is for you to be watchful and mindful of investments you go in while taking opportunities in this ecosystem. The crypto ecosystem is one of the most profitable ecosystems, but many persons are still yet to get understanding in this space. So when you come to understand what and how this market operates, it's a very key factors of very good indications to know how to operate globally in the general general digital ecosystem. The digital ecosystem encompasses of various commodities, various assets. We look at the cryptocurrency, we look at the NFTs, we look at the metaverse, we look at the Web3 too can equally be considered as another area where people will be making quite a fortune in the near future. So while we are coming in to intimate you, to inform you about this development, is that many who are yet to understand the opportunities in this space, many who are yet to understand that there is loads of opportunities, that when the market is bearish, when the market is down, it poses another opportunity for people to come in. Those who could not buy at a high, that could buy now at a low. So another opportunity the market has given to us for us to come in and buy and hold for a long time. While those who understand the trend, who understand when to buy and sell, can equally buy from this point and begin to trade, begin to do a turnover, and begin to come in and buy and go out, as the case may be. So friends, this is a very good opportunity for us to understand what is happening in the crypto space. And for what we just saw, the market just created a great opportunity. When we discovered that the market it broke down the lowest low and came down to touch $26,000 and closes above $29,000. All right, we discovered that the market is still a bullish trend market. So we are still very optimistic that the market is still bearish, it's still bullish, all right, not a bearish market, it's still very bullish. So we are so confident that the Bitcoin is still very strong, and we are seeing all indication that from now on we are going to observe a very massive movement in the market. If the market breaks 31,000 strong resistance on the market and retest and gets to 34,000, we are expecting a major rally that will be flowing in the market in a few weeks time to come. So friends, what we are telling us today is for you to be ready for what is about to happen globally. In the global system, banks are really taking advantage of all this happening. Banks are really going into the blockchain industry, leveraging from the blockchain, doing all, they are converting their information from the regular ledger to the centralized to the decentralized. So that is why we are telling us today that please do well to know more about this information and get yourself acquainted with these things. So the blockchain is a very vast industry, a very vast platform that you need to get conversant with. How those things work, you need to get acquainted with it. So many banks operations in no time, in a short while, will be going into the blockchain. So get to know more about this information and get to take advantage of buying this asset at a very low price and a very low cost. So that is what I say. Let me just come and drop this very vital information. And those who are yet to buy ADA, please go and buy ADA. Very soon we'll be expecting a hard fork in ADA. When there's an hard fork, that means there's an upgrade in the blockchain. So when there's a blockchain upgrade, expect a rally for that asset. Expect an uptrend movement. So ADA is expected to do a massive movement between now and June. So hard fork in ADA, we're going to create a massive run for ADA as an asset. We're expecting ADA to get up to $3, $3 in the market. Presently now is around about 5 cents. So if you're talking about from 5 cents to $3 in the market, it's a very good percentage money return for you to get in. So that is why I've come to share these opportunities with those who are yet to know or who are yet to buy all of this asset or get any of this asset. Do well, get yourself Bitcoin, get yourself Ethereum, get yourself Shiba Inu, get yourself some ADA, get yourself any of those 1 to 50 listed assets in the coin market cap. Anyone you buy, trust me, it will go well. It will do very well. Thank you for taking time to always check out on our updates on our YouTube channel, and do well to spend time to know more about what we do by subscribing to our channels and spending time to like our videos also, and equally share our videos to those who you want them to know more about the latest happenings. So subsequently, I'll be giving you core analysis of what is technical analysis, what is happening or what is trending in the market, for you to have a better update and better clear views of what the market holds. And subsequently, if you have any requests, you want us to look at any asset together, for us to analyze it together, to know what is going to happen or what we're expecting to happen in the market, please do well to drop such in our comment section as we will react on it. Thank you very much for your time and stay blessed. Thank you very much.